Well, hello there and YouTube land. This is the Gem of All Trades channel. Coming to you live from Television City. And no, this is actually Gem of All Trades coming to you live from Maryville, Missouri. What's up? How's it going? That was a stupid had Lawrence Welk on my mind this morning. It's Friday. Hope you're having a good day. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Glad you stopped by this morning. We're going to look at Bitcoin this morning and see what is going on. I don't have a lot of time here. I just want to give you a quick update and tell you what I'm seeing in the market. Hold on one quick second. I've got a cough here. All right, here I've got the new hotness today. I got a birthday present the other day. I got a Blue Yeti, and so there you go. It's not blue, it's red, but really happy with it. Hopefully you like the sound quality of the videos. Hopefully it's improved. Let me know what you think, and leave comments there in the description in the comment section. Appreciate it. Hey guys, we're shooting for 2,000 subs by the end of the month. Can you help me out? Just make sure you're commenting and liking the videos. Go ahead and do that right now before you forget. Like it and shoot a comment there. Just helps the channel, especially if you watch every day and you enjoy the content and the informative nature of where we're heading from at least my perspective. And Elliott Wave, it might give you another glance at the market from a perspective that you're not ordinarily used to seeing, and you can add it to all the other TA guys you're watching or your own TA, and you can just form a good strategy. So glad you stopped by. If you need any, if you want to be part of a trading group, I haven't mentioned it in a while, but we do have a trading group here. It's through a Patreon. So basically, you have to sign up for Patreon, and you can see that link in the description. Just sign up there. It'll be self-explanatory. Once I receive an email that you've joined the Patreon group, we'll send you a link to join the trading group. There you'll find a lot of extra information. You get access to me more personally, as well as I offer charts and videos and things, and just more help, more personalized help along the way as you're learning how to trade. It's an educational channel, a group of traders from all over the world learning to trade and trading this market together and sharing information and knowledge. And so if that's something that would benefit you, certainly give it a go. Yeah. All right. Let's jump in. We're looking at Bitcoin, and we're looking here on the 15-minute chart here and trying to figure out this price action here. If you want to look at the more macro scale, take a look at the last couple of days' videos, and you can kind of pick up on where I think we're headed. At the end of the day, I'm looking for a move to the downside and then a move up to about $8,500 potentially. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but that's what I'd like to see. That's my ideal count, and so that's what we're looking at and seeing here. Let me turn my phone off. I'm getting some notifications. There we go. All right, so let's jump in here. Don't forget, not financial advice, never intended to be so. Just my view of the market and showing you how I spend my money, but never telling you how to spend yours, okay? All right. So what we're assuming, we're operating on the assumption here. Let me clear up the chart just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, let's delete that guy. There it is. Yes. Okay, we're sorry. This is a horrible video. I don't want to start over though. So here I go. We operating on the assumption that we have a leading diagonal potentially there. That also could be that could also be interpreted correctively, simply as a three-wave structure of some kind like that, and then we could be heading down from there. Okay, guys. So understand that's a potential. But what I'm thinking is we need a larger correction, something like that, a more complex correction to the upside. So just to be a little bit more symmetrical with the size of these moves. Now, could be mistaken, could be wrong. I know that there are several people on the that are looking at this particular count right here, thinking that this might be a count where it's in play. We got a 1, 2, all that's 3. This is 4, and then we're going down for 5. And 4 is finished, and we're heading down for 5. I don't like that count much. I've pretty much taken it off the table for me, though. I mean, it could be right, but I don't think so. There's too many three-wave structures within this. That's it's not impulsive. It's more corrective. It's moving down, even though it kind of came down. You know, it came down so, I don't know, correctively. And there's one particular area in particular right in here that really has me thinking, yeah, probably not unless it's a triangle. And that's the only way to deal with that. But again, this would be ABC if this is a triangle. So I'm sorry, I'm talking out loud here. Just got a notification for a UCAD trade. I already took profit, so we did good. Had a nice little pump in UCAD this morning. It was beautiful. I took that long position and already took profit, so that was a nice little trade there. If you don't trade on the forex, guys, you definitely should. It's even better than crypto. Sometimes it's not 24/7, guys. You get to take a break on the weekends, and in the evening times, the Asian market is really, really slow, so you're not watching the market all day long. A lot better. It trades around bank hours. So just for the what it's worth department. All right. Anyway, leading diagonal, looking for a deeper correction. The question is, what's the shape of that correction? So what I'm thinking here, based on this wave analysis here, I've got a move there, a move there. I'm looking for a 3-wave move here, and this is the way I think it's coming. Okay, so I think we're due for a down move any time now. Today, maybe tonight. I don't know. To be honest with you, I was expecting it to resolve already. It was already to have resolved, but it has not resolved. So I'm not sure what's going on. So we'll have to wait and see there. But you see, I've got a couple of trend lines working here, and I always wait for the break of those trend lines. And so had a nice 4-touch trend line here. We broke down to the downside, came and touched it. Revisited that trend line. I'm thinking, yeah, this is good. This is a break, hook, and go. Okay, we broke out of it. We're hooked back, and then we're going to head on down. I still could do that. It's just taking a lot longer than I expect, and so that's what I'm looking for. Anyway, I have alarms set on my trend lines, so when they break those trend lines, I get an alarm and an alert, and I can be watching those. Okay. Finally, so that's basically the big shape of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this in particular. I'm looking for a region somewhere right down here, confluent to this area right there. Anywhere from $6,790 to $6,900 in that ballpark. Let's throw the fibs on that guy and see if we can get a more accurate view of that. Fib extension, boom, boom. I placed that incorrectly. Let me place this properly. Right there, 68.87. We've already hit the 1-to-1 extension right there with 70.71. I think we need to come on down. Let's see what is confluent with the 786. Again, I shared this yesterday, but let me remind myself here. 786 retracement, 67.79. Let's throw the fibs. Let's pull the fibs a different way here. See if we can get some more confluence with our viewpoint here. Yeah, the 1-to-1 extension right here, $6,800 is looking like a decent target right there. We'll have to watch and see. I think the entire market's looking at that target, so you got to be careful. It could be that we may even come on down, even retest the bottom here. Okay, it may even wick through it and then shoot back up. There's a potential possibility there. So be mindful of those possibilities. At the end of the day, one more possibility is that we could be heading straight up. Okay, this is just revisiting all the different shapes that we could have. 1, 2, and then we've got a 1, 2, and we're heading up 3, 4, 5. I'm on guard for that. I don't think that that's what's going to happen, but I could be completely wrong. So be aware of that. I'm aware that that's a possibility, but I'm also aware that I don't think it's super likely that'll happen. But you never know. But wave structure to me is pointing down. Now, let me talk to you about another scenario that I've seen as well that I just wanted to mention to you as well. We could be looking at this as a leading diagonal right here. So this is a corrective. This is like a 1 wave right here. This is a 2 wave. Now this is a 1, and now we're getting a 2, and the 2 isn't finished. Let me show you the shape of that 2. So this is boom, boom, and now we're going to get this. And that's going to finish a 3-wave move right here in the smaller time frame. And this would be a leading diagonal, 1, 2, and then we get our big move to the upside like that. So if we get a move down today, guys, let me throw the fibs on that move and see what that would give us. If we get a move down to 72.23 to 71.61 in that ballpark, and it seems to stall there, and it wants to just, and that stalls in here, gives you a good completed wave structure here, 3 waves, or 5 waves. I'm not sure. This is 5 waves, but I don't like the fib count on that. But it is 5 waves. Then we got a 3-wave move there. So if you get a finished 3 waves or 5 waves in this region right here, that's going to be a nice ABC. Okay, an impulsive move past 70.85, past that would nullify this potential. So if you're going to move beyond 70.85, what I'm talking about will not happen, likely. But if you're going to move like this down here, then that might be a good long position that I'll be thinking about taking to the upside. Okay, so I'll be watching out for that play as well. So the three options on the table that I'm seeing, or 4 options on the table that I've shared. Let me just recap them very quickly. Just from Elliott wave perspective, how these waves should be shaped by their rules. I'm looking for this. I'd like to see that. Okay, so I'm looking for that. That's what I'd like to see. Now, if this was our correction and it's finished, then this is 1, 2, so we're heading up like that. So watch out for this move here. Watch out for this 3-wave move that I just mentioned right here, and then heading up from there with a big candle. Okay? Another possibility. Finally, if we get a larger, deeper correction, this could be deeper, could retest the bottom here. So we have some targets anywhere in this region right there. So we have to be careful. Watch this line here. Watch the bottom as well. We have to count the waves, look at the wave structure as it comes down, and then be nimble as traders. All right. That's the market as I'm seeing it today. That's what I'm watching for. So you be careful. What are the upside targets as we finish out this video here? Upside targets are, I feel like today's video is just a recap of yesterday's video. So yeah, if we go up from here, we're looking at targets of about $8,500 for the 1-to-1 extension. So that means if we got a move that was simply like this, and then we go down from there, it would be, ABC like that. $8,500 could go as high as $9,000. $8,930 is the 127 extension there. So we could go as high as $9,000. Could actually go as high as $9,498. You could go all the way to the 1618 and then have a reversal, and that would bring you back up to the structure zone right in there. It might be a nice place to fake traders out long and then come back down. So, I'm thinking long. I'm looking long, but I want to make sure that we get the right entry in the right position. Okay, so watch out for that. I think one of the reasons we're playing around right here in this price range, guys, is if I look at this trend line right there, I think. Let me adjust it to right there. It gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 touches there, 5. And it wicks through at 6. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we're playing on this trend line right here. So that might be what's going on right here with price action. I'm not sure. I don't know why we're playing here. I don't know why we haven't come down, but that's the way I'm seeing it. It's the way I'm looking for it. So watch out for that little move down to $7,100 or so. If we get a move down there and it stalls, I'm going to be thinking about going long. Again, not financial advice. All right, guys, have a fantastic Friday. Don't forget to leave comments. Thanks for all your support. I always appreciate you guys. Some of you guys are so faithful every day to leave a comment. I just want to let you know I really appreciate it. I really, really do. Hope you enjoy the channel, and let me know how I can always improve it. You guys have a fantastic day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.